Hi, I'm going to show you here how to change the blade of your SPSS interface. You may do this from time to time. To do it for professional reasons or other reasons, I don't know. And to do that, where you just have to go to the Edit tab. And then you just click on the option. As simple as that, you can change the language of the sports units at the level of the results units. Big analyses if you want the results to appear in French. Change the language from French, e.g., to the language you want, Italian. I'm going to just choose English here. There you have it. You can also change the language of the interpretation of different symbols that are there. Files, additions, display, data, etc. so that it is in the language that you want. Specifically, in this instance, such as English. So once you're going to select, you just click OK. Any language change in the user interface will restore the dialog box to its default settings and close the open dialog box that is then installed. You'll see. And that's it, isn't it? Your interface is developed in English. That's fire, edit view, data transform, analyze it right away. There you have it. It was this Christmas. We hope it has enlightened you on loading a language for use in STS.